Okay, year 6, we are starting a new unit of natural science. This unit is unit number 5, electricity and magnetism. Okay, you can find the unit pages number 70 and 71 of your books. But if you are watching the video, you don't really need your books with you. What you need, it's your notebook and your pen or pencil, right? To start doing the activity. So we start a unit, and you know that we always, when we start a unit, have to do the cover. So in the cover, what you must include is number of the unit, the title, and then the illustration of the unit, right? Electricity and magnetism, this is a very, very, very interesting topic of science, right? Here you can see this picture. What do you think is it? Just so you know for the future, in case that you don't know the meaning of a word, even if it's in English or in Spanish, what you have to do is you go to a translator like this, a dictionary online. Word reference works really well. And if the word is in English and you need to translate it to Spanish, it's like this. Or you click in here and you've got many different options, okay? So from Spanish to English, you can also use it. And to find out information, I suggest you use Kiddle. You go to Google, you write down Kiddle, and this one here, Kiddle Visual Research, Search. Here you can type any kind of questions and find information. This is special for you. Why? Because if in this unit, especially if you want to find some information, you might find it too advanced, maybe for engineers or for people that are studying, other kind of more advanced science. So for you, I think that this it's good enough. Okay. So let's continue with the unit. Today I just want to know what things you remember from other years studying. You remember the ones that have been with me in year 4, that we did some experiments with magnets that were very interesting. So let's begin. Look at the objects in the photos. What are they? What force do they use? Is it a contact force or a non-contact force? You remember the type of forces, contact and non-contact? I think that it makes sense, okay? You can guess what they are. And as I said before, if you don't remember what's the name of those objects, you can try to find it online, right? In the dictionary. So you can either pause the video, answer the questions, or you watch the video and then you start answering the questions at the end, right? Good. Question number 2, how many poles does a magnet have? Do magnets attract metals or repel them? Can a magnet attract another magnet? So please answer this question. Try to remember, okay, things that you remember from learning some other years. Then the next question is discuss the questions with a partner. I understand that you don't have a partner, but you can contact with them, or you can discuss it at home, okay, with the relatives that are at home. So what do you think the letters and compass mean? In what direction does a compass always point? And when can a compass be useful to travelers? Right? So please answer those questions too. And question number 4, what other inventions can help us find our way around? Do they use electricity? Can be modern ones, okay? You don't have to try to find old ones or traditional ones, right? And here this tip, which is very useful to answer the questions, I think the letters mean the needle always points to, and a compass can be useful when, if, right? So here you've got tip of language, which can be useful for you to answer those questions, okay? So now we move on to the next part of the unit, which is the reflection. Again, we are just here revising, okay, what you know from previous years. So here, match the words with the objects, which ones are attracted to magnets. If you've got a magnet at home, you can even try it, okay? Take objects that are similar to these ones, are very easy to find, okay? The coins here, or pans in the kitchen, ask permission to your parents. And if you've got a magnet, normally in the fridge, you can find it. You can do the experiment or confirm it, okay? You can try first to write down what you think, and then you can, you can do the practice. Okay, no, and now exercise number 2, in your notebook, complete the sentences with the correct word. You have to, as always, copy the headline and then the sentence, and don't copy the 2 options, just the one that you think is the right one. Okay. Exercise number 3, which of these objects use magnetism? If you don't understand the meaning of them, please, as I said, go to word reference or Cambridge Dictionary, which is very good too, and try to find the meaning. Write down the word, and next to it, please write what you think. All right, and that's all for today. Here, useful language, I think, uses magnetism because I can't use magnetism because it is made of blah 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 blah. Right? So yeah, this would be the first lesson of natural science. I just want you to start thinking about electricity and magnetism, and on Friday we will start the explanation properly. Okay, be good, work a lot, and we will correct this on Friday. Take care. Bye bye.